Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So before starting, just let me give one disclaimer that I record these videos for myself for the learning purpose and to record whatever I do in my trading day. But why do I post it on the public platform? Just to share with anyone who could benefit from this one. Maybe someone has the same temperament as I might have, and that could help someone. So चलिए start करते हैं. लेट्स फर्स्ट सेक्टर से स्टार्ट करते हैं. सेक्टर में क्या हो रहा है अगर हम आज देखें ओवरऑल. So all the indices were negative. So the highest was the fin services. It was beaten more today. FMCG was fine. Auto again. So everything was. The main thing what happened today that every indices was the kept down. So I see a lot of problem with Nifty IT, and then I think FMCG also. Both are in bad shape. And the one reason I could see behind this particular thing. Let me see the fundamentals. So why do I see? Sorry, fundamental because not the in the detailed one, but yeah, overall, or you can say basic knowledge of you can say this fundamental helps in understanding or creating a big picture. So let's just focus on these two things: deposit growth and bank loan growth. What happens? This loan growth and the deposit growth actually signifies the disposable income mostly. And if you see the earlier value was 13.7, it is 13.5, so it's a significant change. And here also bank loan growth also decreased. So yeah, that's what's impacting in the MCG sector. Now let's move on to Nifty. Okay, let me hide this one. And if you see the daily picture, so it's kind of picture perfect that market is in the uptrend. If you draw something like, okay, mode, sorry, okay, if you see that market went up, took a pull down, down, again up, then again retracement, up, retracement, up, and now retracement. So if you see at the bigger picture, I don't see that there is much to worry about, because it's the normal course of action for any stock or any index that it gives a run, then pull back, run, pull back, run, pull back, run, pull back. But the main problem would happen if this run and pull back goes beyond this one. Then we can say that market is going completely in the downtrend. Okay, now let's come to the main chart. Let me take it on the 15 minute. Okay, let's see. Let's draw the market structure here first, just to understand how the things are working here. Okay, let me take the path. So if you see here, market was completely in one run, then it took a small pullback. Again, it went on to the impulse move or the run. Okay, then it again took the pullback, again went into the run, again took a pullback, run, again run, pullback, run. Okay, now let's see. Okay, if you see the normally what happens that market moves in higher highs or lower heights or lower highs and lower lows. So if you see, this was the higher low, this was the higher high, then again market made again higher low, higher high. Now what happened on this day? This was on the 12th of April. Actually, market broke this particular you can say higher low. So what happens when the market broke the you can say the it changed the character. Earlier it was in an uptrend. This is on the 15-minute chart. Now we can say that market has started towards the downtrend. It changed, so it changed the character. So if you see that you go to the news portals or anywhere, you would see that it happened due to the Israel war. But on the 12th, there was no such news that Israel and Iran war is going to happen. So market was already showing some signs of the weakness when it broke the structure. Or you can say changed the correct market, opened the gap up, again took a retracement, and again started going downward. Now, what can happen tomorrow? Let's discuss all those things. Okay, but before discussing this, if you see here, I marked some zone. Why market just you can say took a pause here and started downward. So if you see in the past, it was on the fourth fourth of the April. This was the same level where market has you know mark this one. This was the area where market was consolidated or touched multiple times. And when market touch a particular point multiple times, that becomes a strong. It can be a support or it can be resistance, or it can be, you can, that particular price point or that particular price range becomes very important. Also, if you see market, the support, resistance over here. So if some people will say that it went, cross this particular point also and went down, is normally called liquidity grab. Why I'm saying liquidity grab? If you see, there was a impulsive move in one candle, and the second candle was also impulsive move on the downward side. But there was a large candle, then the size of the candles were decreasing. So normally the retail traders presume that the strength is going down and they could sell, and there was a zone also to sell this in this particular level. So they started selling here, and obviously if they sell here, their stop loss would be somewhere here approximately. So what happens in that case? Market grabs these stop losses and starts moving down. That's the liquidity grab. Now let's see what can happen tomorrow. 1 second. Let me do it. Okay. Scenario would depend on where market opens. Let's draw some. If market opens here, somewhere gap up, let's say here, so then I can assume that there might be some kind of the small retracement, and then market will hit this particular level, something this way. So let me change the color here. Let's put it green. If market opens gap up, the second scenario could be uh, let's say market opens flat. If market opens flat, I don't see then there would be much of the strength in the market. So two things can happen: market will touch this particular level, again come down, or second thing can happen, market starts going down from here itself, something that way. Let me change the color for this one also. Third scenario could be that market opens gap down somewhere that way, that and that. Ultimately, the market will go down. Let market see the see some stocks which can be used for. This is Kirloskar engineering. If you see, the chart is looking very beautiful. It's very much beautiful. So the stock has consolidated for almost, you can say, 7 years, and now this is going across its old JNK Bank, very strong fundamentally. Again, so this is the level where we should think of making some position, and when it goes above, we can pyramid it. So the level would be here 141. So don't buy here. Wait for this particular level and see the strength. Next is look. Again, it's also coming after 5 to 6 years. This particular is the level. So if it crosses above this level or close above, give a close above this is around 190, or you can say 200. Then we can make it. Next one is Asoka Build. This is one of my favorite stock, and I think if you see today, it opened at 149 and went up to 169. So this is the kind of recovery it has made. It was one of the stocks who has made the recovery at fast pace today. Then Chennai Petro, looking good, but we should wait for this particular 967 to make it. Okay, then Hindalco. Mm, a lot of more have already happened. Yeah, for 2 to 3 months perspective, it could be good stock. Very good stock. Very good. This stock can be, you can make we can make position in this stock at this particular level. It's looking very good. Very good. Thanks everyone.